Okay, let's go.
Let's see how our C-like kits work.
Things you need. A motor and ESC. Here, I'm using a motor and ESC combo. A receiver and controller, at least for channels. A servo. And a battery. Let's begin. Channel 1 is for servo. Connect the servo plug to the female connector of channel 1. Connect the male JSD to the receiver under channel 1. Channel 2 is for the motor and ESC. If you are using a separate ESC, connect the ESC plug to channel 2.
Channel 3 is for accessories like fog lamps or winch.
These are for your turn signals. These are for your forward and brake lights.
The lower left part is the accent light. It is always on and would turn off when you use the throttle. And the lower right part is the accessory lights, often used for fog lamps or blinkers.